Hi! Mabuhay! I'm Micaela B. Castro. Now, my first topic of discussion is Colombia. What is Colombia? Colombia is referred to as the gateway to South America due to its location in the northwestern region of the continent, where South America connects with Central and North America. It ranks as the fifth largest country in Latin America and boasts the second largest population of Spanish speakers worldwide. Colombia is a nation of contrast. Running through its center are the majestic snow-capped volcanoes and mountains of the Andes. The northern and western coasts are adorned with tropical beaches, while the northern region features desert and the eastern area encompasses extensive grassland known as lowlands. The other name of Colombia is New Granma. This was the name used from 1830 until 1856 and from 1856 to 1863. It was known as the Grenade Confederation. Kaya New Granma, ito ay pangalan na ginamit mula 1830 hanggang 1856 at mula 1856 hanggang 1863. Ito ay kilala bilang Grenade Confederation. Tagline: Colombia, the country of beauty. The slogan was launched in 2023 to showcase the country's natural beauty, culture, and history. Kaya tinawag ito na Country of Beauty upang ipakita ang likas na kagandahan ng Colombia at ang kanilang kultura at kasaysayan ng banda. Capital, Bogota. Is a place best for food enthusiasts. It is a place when the oldest traditional restaurant sits. Flag. Ang yellow na flag ay nagre-represent sa ginto at ang asul ay represent as the sea. At ang red ay sa dugo dahil ito ay nakikipaglaban para sa kalayaan ng Colombia. Ang currency naman ng Colombia is peso, SOP. Ang language ng Colombia is Spanish and English. Religion, Roman Catholic. Major career, Avianca SA, AV. Ito ay pinakamalaking airline sa Colombia. This is the famous food in Colombia.
Bandeja paisa is the famous food in Colombia. It is a platter of food consisting of fried pork, grilled steak, sausage, rice, and beans and fried egg.
The next famous food in Colombia is mazamorra, a food that can serve as a dessert or drink made from corn with milk and sugar. Siniserve to as a dessert ng mga Colombia. Next is frichanga, a big platter composed of grilled meats such as beef, chicken, and pork. Ito naman, ang famous tourist destination ng Colombia, number 1, Medellin. It is because of pleasant, year-round climate, often called the city of eternal spring, with mild temperature and lush greenery, making it ideal for outdoor activities coupled with its stunning mountain views, vibrant culture, innovative urban design, and a diverse nightlife scene. All while overcoming a past reputation for violence associated with drug cartels, making it a popular destination for travelers seeking a mix of nature, city life, and culture experience. Ang Medellin ay tinawag na City of Eternal Spring dahil maganda siyang puntahan at nakakamanghang tanawin, makulay na kultura, and magandang klima ng panahon. Kaya ginawa itong sikat na destination para maipakita sa mga tao ang mga culture and magkaroon sila ng experience. Next naman is Cartagena, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning Caribbean landscape. Next naman is Santa Marta. Its unique combination of beautiful Caribbean beaches, rich history as Colombia's oldest city, stunning natural landscape including the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, mountains, and connection renewal figures like Simon Bolivar and Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Ang Santa Marta ay pinakamagandang lungsod ng Colombia. Makikita din dito kabilang ang mga kabundukan at kagandahan ng beach at malapit ito sa Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. Next naman is Festival ng Colombia. Number 1 is Barranquilla Carnival. It is the most widely known in Colombia. It really does have in all costume parades and dance all in one of the most beautiful sights on the coast of a country where the people are full of happiness and joy. Ito daw po ay sikat sa Colombia dahil sa costume, parada, sayaw, and pinakamagandang lungsod sa baybayin ng bansa dahil sa puno ng mga tao at kaligayahan at kagalakan. Next naman is Mananzales Fair. It's a traditional Colombian festival that takes place in January. It includes bullfighting, parades and music, and an international coffee pageant. The fair is held in Manizales, a city in the coffee cultural landscape. And lastly, culture of Colombia. The Colombian culture is a vibrant fusion of indigenous traditions, Spanish heritage, and African and Caribbean rhythms, evident in their colorful festival such as Carnaval de Barranquilla. With this, Colombian culture has an abundance of experiences to offer. French Guiana is a French overseas department and region located on the northwestern coast of South America, bordering Brazil, Suriname, and the Atlantic Ocean. It is known for its dense tropical forests, diverse ecosystem, and historical significance, including the former penal settlements and the European Space Agency launch site of Kourou. Other name is Guyane. Tagline Futurum Industria translate to work creates evidence. Capital Cayenne. Flag green represent the forest. Yellow represent gold and other minerals of the region. The red star represents socialism. Ang green about sa kagubatan and ang yellow naman daw po ay kumakatawan sa ginto at iba pang mineral ng reheliyon. And red naman po na star ay about socialism. Next naman is currency euro, language French Creole and English, religion Christianity, major career is Guiana Express.
This is the famous food in French Guiana.
Next naman is ang kanilang famous food. Number 1 is bluff. It is a type of soup that is made from fish and various type of local spices are used. It is usually eaten for breakfast. Ito daw po ay usually na karaniwang kinakain bilang kanilang almusal. Next naman is pepper pot. It is an Amerindian-derived dish popular in Guyana. It is traditionally served at Christmas and other special events. Main ingredients are meat, beef, pork, mutton, cinnamon with hot peppers syrup. And the last famous food in French Guiana, Kalawang green mango salad, prepared by chopping up the mangoes and combining them with garlic, chilies, lemon, parsley, vinegar, and some oil. Next naman is ang kanilang famous tourist destination. Number 1 is Remiremont Mont Joli in French Guiana is a popular tourist destination because of its beaches, nature, and history. The area is popular for outdoor activities such as hiking and beach going. Ang Remiremont Mont Joli ay sikat na tourist destination dahil sa kagandahan ng beaches, nature, and history nito. At sikat ang lugar sa panlabas ng mga aktibidad katulad ng hiking. Next naman is ang Place des Palmistes, meaning Palm Tree Square, and the vibrant atmosphere offering a great spot to sip in the local culture, enjoy outdoor dining, and explore nearby attractions like the colonial architecture and bustling markets. And the last famous tourist destination is Cayenne. French Guiana is a popular tourist destination because of the history, culture, and the natural beauty. Visitors can explore the rainforest through guided tours, birdwatching, hiking. The first festival of French Guiana is Carnival. Carnival is a vibrant, colorful, and long-running festival that takes place between Epiphany and Ash Wednesday. The last festival of French Guiana is Mashuramani, an annual festival that celebrates Guyana becoming a republic in 1970. The festival, usually held on 23 February, Guyana's Republic Day, includes a parade, music, game, and cooking, and is intended to commemorate the birth of the republic. And last, ang kanilang culture. The culture and lifestyle of French Guiana are evidence of the pluralism in its society. Indian, African, indigenous, and French culture are all major influences in the general culture of the country. For instance, there are around 12,000 Indians in the territory of French Guiana.